So I'll start like this. Facebook ads have changed. Okay, when it started initially, what we were saying was something really simple. You just put up an image, write whatever you want to write there, and you have everybody come to say, wow, 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 check it out. Oh, are you selling this? Let me buy, let me buy, let me buy, let me buy. All right. Now, Facebook, when they established the platform, didn't establish the platform as a sales platform. It was established as a relationship platform, as a platform where people can talk about different things because there is a relationship between those two people, right? So it wasn't a sales platform, but people turned it to a sales platform. They started posting things that they were using, started posting things that they had for sale, and other people were interested, and sales started happening. Do you understand? So now Facebook now recognizes that, oh, okay, people have been able to use this thing like this, so it's a sales platform. Okay, so we can actually make money from other things. Okay, let's run ads, let's do all of this, right? So Facebook has ads, and ads are good for your business, right? But the thing is, ads have changed, right? So you put up an image before and you get, just put up, a few dollars, right? $1, $2, and you're making sales. But now you put up an image and nobody even says. You add dollars, you put some money, nobody even says. All right. Now you increase your budget, and maybe you are spending like $5 or $10 a day, and you start getting people saying, liking it, and commenting, and nobody's buying. All right. Things have changed. All right. Now your advert has to be more thought through. You have to sit down, look at it, and say, okay, how can I actually get these people? Do I need to do a video? Do I need to post a more interesting image? Do I need to look at the image that has been working for me, the image that people have been liking? Do I need to post about that kind of image? Do I need to look for the best times to post, so that when I'll post at that time, so that when they see it, I can now run an ad with that post and stuff. So you have to think through all these things. Before, you didn't have to bother, you just post anytime you want to post, right? So what does that tell you? It tells you that if you understand your audience, if you understand your market, right, if you understand Facebook, if you understand the algorithm, you would make money. But if you do not, you would lose money. So what am I saying? The educated Facebook user, or the educated Facebook ads user, or the educated person, or the Facebook educated or Facebook ad educated user would make more money. The uneducated will lose money. Facebook ads are actually becoming more expensive, right? We have more people on the platform, so more people going after the same audience that you want to go after, right? Now, when more people are going after the same audience like you, what would you have? You would have a situation where you have to pay more to reach that audience. Do you understand? So it's becoming more expensive, okay? But are there ways to reduce expenses for you? Yes, there are, right? Now, what are the ways to reduce expenses for you? One of those ways, number one, you must understand the audience. What are they interested in? You have to be posting what they are interested in. You understand? You must understand your product. There is no amount of dollars you can add on an ad to sell a poor product. If the product is poor, right, or if you did not communicate the product's advantages or benefits well enough, you will not sell, because people are sitting down to just make sure that they look for things that will be beneficial to them. So why should I buy this product? It has to be beneficial to me. So people are looking for those benefits. So now when you're pushing out your product, you need to spell out your benefits. So you need to work on a very good image right now. Unlike before, you could post anything, even your gate man at the gate standing with one thing, and people will buy it. But now that won't work. You will need to sit down and really do a good image or a good video. Right now, you need to sit down and give us more detail about the thing you're trying to sell. Right? So you're selling shoes, for example. Tell us it's comfortable. Tell us we have all sizes. Tell us you have different colors. All right. Tell us the designer. Tell us why that designer stands out. Tell us all those little benefits. Tell us the cost. Tell us why we should buy it. Right? Tell us the benefits. Right? Tell us the advantages. Give us the sweet gist about it. Before, you could have just put it up and we'll say, hey, how much? But now we want to see the thing. We want to read about the advantages. We want to read about those little things. That's what you add to your copy. So if you post just an image without saying anything, right, you have less people talking to you. So now you need to post and say something. Then provide a call to action. Call me, send me a WhatsApp message, DM. Those things you need to add now. Unlike before, you didn't have to do all those things before. You just post your village pictures without even saying anything. Everybody's like, oh, I like it. But now you need to pay attention to all these little